Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 10:45 in Honolulu, 4:45 in New York on Friday. Happy Aloha Friday, as we say on the islands. It is the third day of October 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver, our weekend review. Gold prices have risen now for the seventh consecutive week. This most recent surge is the result of growing concerns over the economic impact of a prolonged government shutdown, as well as continued expectations of interest rate cuts this year by the Fed. December gold gained $31.30 or 0.81%, taking a troy ounce to $3,912.10. On a weekly basis, gold gained $122.30 or 3.23%, the seventh consecutive week in which gold has closed above the opening price on Monday. December silver gained 2.35% in trading today. That's a net gain of $1.10, taking a troy ounce to $47.97. That is a net gain of 3.46% this week, or $1.60.50. Also, the seventh consecutive week in which silver has closed above its opening price. And in the 7 weeks in which both gold and silver banked consecutive gains, the dollar has been flat in terms of its open and closing price. The current rally that gold is in right now, that in essence began on Wednesday, the 20th day of August, with gold at $3,353, up to today's closing price above $3,912, will be remembered for many historical firsts. In terms of price ascent, we are in record territory with gold closing above $3,900 per troy ounce for the first time in history. Although gold flirted with that price in terms of December futures, both yesterday and Wednesday, on a closing basis, this is the first time in history that gold has closed at or above $3,900 per ounce. Initially, my target for gold this year was $3,800 per ounce, which obviously has been taken out, with gold rising above that on Monday, September the 29th, when gold opened at $37.90 and closed at $38.61, a tremendous move. The remainder of the trading week saw a modest rise on Tuesday, stagnant or consolidating prices on Wednesday and Thursday, and then a strong gain of in excess of $31 today to finish at the highest closing price in history, $3,912.40. This has caused many analysts, including myself, to update our year-end price targets. My new target is based upon the rally that began on Monday, the 7th day of April, with gold at $3,053, up to the intraday high that occurred on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, in which gold moved a total of $535 or 17.53%. I'm basing the beginning of this next rally starting on Wednesday, the 20th day of August, with gold at $33.53, up to between a 1.236 extension to a 1.382 extension. In other words, my updated target on the low end is looking for gold to exceed $4,000 per ounce at $4,005.60 to a high of $4,080 per ounce by the end of 2025. This has been Gary Wagner
and Joseph Wagner,
wishing you as always good trading. We'll talk to you on Monday
for our next video report.
Bye-bye.